If you're looking for a useful video on how and when to use Vardenafil, then this video is meant for you. We will cover all the ins and outs, how to use it, what are possible side effects, and what are correct dosages, and much, much more. So make sure to watch the whole video so you don't miss any important information. For those of you who are meeting for the first time, my name is Raoul. I'm a medical doctor from the Netherlands and I'm making weekly medical videos to educate myself as well as you, my viewers. This video also comes with a quick disclaimer. It's meant purely informative. This is not medical advice, and when looking for medical advice, always contact your own doctor. And now quickly, let's get started. So as mentioned, the generic name of this medication is Vardenafil and it's sold under the brand names Levitra and Staxyn and is available as a tablet. Which brings us to how to use it. Just swallow the tablet with half a glass of water about half an hour to up to 2 hours before sexual intercourse. After taking it, it will be effective for 4 to 5 hours. And for those of you that experience side effects like nausea and stomach complaints, you could also take it with some food, as this lowers the stomach complaints. Now, Vardenafil is part of a group of drugs called PDE5. Those cause an increased blood flow to the penis, leading to an erection. Therefore, Vardenafil can be used to treat erectile dysfunction in adult males. However, for it to work, there needs to be sexual activity. Which brings us to the correct dosages to use. And here I want to mention that I can only provide you with some guidelines. Your specific dose will depend on your indication of use, the side effects you might experience, and the severity of your symptoms. Therefore, always use the precise amount and frequency your doctor prescribed you. However, just as a guideline, doctors often start with a dose of 10 milligrams about 30 minutes to 2 hours before sexual intercourse. And for future use, this dose can be adapted based on the effectivity of this dose and your tolerance for it. Your doctor might adjust it to a dose of 5 milligrams up to 20 milligrams if necessary. Now, Vardenafil can be a very effective drug, but it also can have serious side effects. In this video, I will cover some of the most common ones, but if you're looking for a complete list, check your leaflet, ask your doctor or your pharmacist. Now, very commonly it might cause a headache. Commonly it can cause dizziness, blushing, nausea, dyspepsia and nasal congestion. Uncommonly it can cause a fast heart rate, palpitations, dizziness, stomach pain, diarrhea, vomiting, back pain and changes in your blood values. And rarely it can lead to changes in your blood pressure, may cause pain of your chest, a heart attack, amnesia and a nosebleed. Which brings us to the safety of use. First of all, Vardenafil can cause several side effects like dizziness and blurred vision. If you experience any of these, then please do not drive, as this can be dangerous. Furthermore, when you combine Vardenafil with alcohol, this can also increase the side effects you might experience. Therefore, be careful when combining both. And lastly, Vardenafil can have interactions with other drugs you're taking. Therefore, always discuss this with your doctor or your pharmacist. Now, I hope this video was helpful and I hope you know now how to use Vardenafil. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section and I will do my best to answer each and every one of them. For those of you that did learn something, that did enjoy the video, please leave a like. This will help out the channel tremendously and consider subscribing. I'm posting weekly medical videos and if you don't want to miss any of them, please subscribe. For those of you that can't get enough, I also have an Instagram account at How to Medicate. I'm posting a few posts each week. Check that out as well. And lastly, thanks to my Patreon supporters. Thank you, Sebastian, who's an investor tier supporter. And I will see you all next week with a new video. Bye bye.